Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by. Nice to see you all. My digital artwork always starts from kind of raw materials like pens, ink, paint, chalk, coffee, whatever I can get my hands on. Anything that will make a mark, basically. And then I will derive some illustration from that and then scan that material and take it into the computer. And that's when the next process starts. You know, the digital side of the illustration starts then. I'm kind of obsessed with faces and symmetry. You'll find that a lot in my work, especially more recently with symmetry. I seem to be a bit obsessed with faces. I like the depth of character, the form, the emotion, and of course the expression that faces give you the opportunity to explore. So it's a reoccurring theme in my work, faces and sort of that type of thing. Certainly you'll find it a lot in what I do. It's an absolute passion for me, drawing people's faces or making up faces or deriving something from those beginnings. And then once it's in the computer, I take it on a bit of a journey and I create all sorts of different effects using textures, scanned and found materials, and we just go on a journey and basically end up with something either I like or don't like in the end, but it's part of the journey that really fascinates me. That's more important. The journey's more important than the end result a lot of the time. Of course, you're trying to find a decent result. All artists are. You want something that's pleasing, aesthetically pleasing at the end of the day, but it is a journey. It's certainly all about the journey for me. Anyway, without further ado, here's a couple of faces derived from one illustration, from one drawing. And yeah, it was an interesting journey. Check this out.
You have magic.
So there we have an outcome. Quite interesting, quite liked it. Might do something else with that face again at some point, not sure. Might move on and do something different, but I quite like this outcome. 2 faces from one. I quite like the initial drawing on its own actually, but this is kind of what I mean. I like that sort of process of exploration and doing something else, or doing many things with an image. One of the things I love is the endless possibilities of one image. It fascinates me, absolutely fascinates me. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Really glad you came by. If you've not subscribed, please do so. It'd be great to have you on board. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye. Cheers.